Bitcoin right now is being squeezed between this support level right here and this resistance that is coming down, and we are going to see a breakout in Bitcoin very soon. And I'm going to share in today's video where I think that breakout, in which direction that breakout will be going, and I will be sharing some very interesting charts with you in this video, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Now let's jump straight into it. Guys, Bitcoin has seen already quite a nice bounce, and we took this trade also over on Will Alerts. We said the moment we break above the 4-hour EMA ribbon, you can actually long Bitcoin, but you can also wait for that retest. Yesterday, I made a new update saying that, we are up about 5.7% on the spot price, and we are touching some resistance. That is the white line right here. Very important resistance, because we are seeing some confluence with different charts as well. And so far, after we touched that resistance and we made that update over on Will Alerts, we actually dumped back down to the 4-hour EMA ribbon. And so far, the 4-hour EMA ribbon is actually holding support. And I'm quite surprised. I think that's actually nice, because that shows us that on the 4-hour time frame, we are still in an uptrend. So we can see that this white line, declining line, is coming down right here, causing some resistance. If we were to look at what kind of resistance we are seeing, then it's not only that white line. We can see that the daily right here, the daily EMA is also coming down. And if we were to have a look at this chart, we can see that Bitcoin also has been touching the 21 weekly exponential moving average. That is the orange line right here. And as you can see, in a bull market, this generally tends to act as support. And when we are in a short-term bear trend, this generally tends to act as resistance. So don't underestimate where Bitcoin is trading right now. Definitely at some key levels. Shorter-term time frame, guys, I think this has a little bit more fuel to the upside. Why? First of all, we're holding the 4-hour EMA ribbon, which just basically means short-term time frame, we are still in the uptrend. Next to that, when we have a look at Will Portal, guys, we can see that the funding rates right now are negative, even declining, right? So that is also a bullish signal for Bitcoin. We can see that the premium index is also quite negative right here. And the other signs are kind of neutral, but the funding rates might be the most important sign, which is right now negative. So with negative funding, it's definitely more likely to go up, because negative funding is creating liquidity to push the price up. And guys, I'm going to reveal something very interesting, because on Will Portal, we've been working very hard on our Pro Charts future, and you cannot access this yet on the website, but we are already very deep in building this. And this is a chart, basically almost a trading view chart, where we can add multiple indicators. So we can, for example, have a look at the open interest right here. We can add take a buy sell ratio. We can add the fear and greed index. We can even add funding rates. We can add all the indicators on the same chart, and we can even expand this chart if we do like this. And then you can analyze exactly, okay, here the open interest went down, take by sell ratio is going up after we're seeing price pump. Here we can see with the fear and greed index going down, the price is going up. The negative funding right here, price is going up. So this is super nice, and you can even check this in like so many different time frames. So it makes it super easy to analyze. And you can even, this is like trading view, you can even flip these indicators if you would like to have, for example, the open interest lower. You can just like set it lower. Later we can have a lot of settings right here that you can choose which open interest you want to see. For example, with the premium index, if you want to see the candle, if you want to see the bar chart. So guys, this is really cool, and this is coming very soon. These are the pro charts, and we've been working hard on this, and this will make it even more easier for you guys to analyze the Bitcoin price. But let's go back to Bitcoin. I still think there's a little bit, definitely some more upside potential right here because of these negative funding rates. And this was also a very much anticipated bounce, right? We have been very clear that Bitcoin is going most likely to bounce after taking out those long liquidations at 25.2k. We've taken this trade over on Will Alerts, which is the private Telegram channel where I make extra videos and extra content on the crypto markets. If you are interested in joining Will Alerts, you can do so for free just by signing up on Bybit or BitGet with the affiliate link down below. Meet the deposit requirements and submit your user ID over on willportal.com. I would highly suggest you, or highly recommend every single one of you to do so. Also, all the profits or all the fee sharing that we get from affiliate links will directly go back into the further development of the Will Portal platform. Then guys, some other charts I want to share with you are of course the stablecoin dominance, where we have been looking at for so long in the past couple of weeks, right? And why it's so interesting right now, because we can see this is a little bit the less interesting one. This is a US dollar Tether dominance. We are in still in a bullish structure right here, but there is a lot of space to come down, which means that there is still space for Bitcoin to bounce in this formation that we are seeing. Then let's go to this one. This is already getting a little bit more interesting because this is the USDC dominance. And as you can see, we are actually trading above some key support. So this could also be a moment, that's also what we shared yesterday over in Will Alerts. This could be a moment that we are going to bounce from the middle of this channel, which means that Bitcoin could potentially top if that happens. And this chart confirms the same thing. Right here, this is the stablecoin dominance combined, US dollar Tether and USDC, and right now we are touching just a very key level. Two support levels are converging right here, the middle of this channel and the uptrending of this channel, which if this level holds, Bitcoin will most likely top, and when we are bouncing from these levels, Bitcoin will come down. If we in a crazy scenario break down right here, that would be extremely bullish for Bitcoin. But we gotta be realistic, we are not yet seeing that right now. So I'm going to assume that the old structure, which is basically since 2019 there, is going to hold. And if we do break down, I'm going to flip my bias and I'm definitely going to lean more to the bullish side. But as far as we're holding this level, I'm going to be cautious, and I'm going to still think that September will give us a lower high, which eventually will bring us down and to surpass these lows. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video guys, leave a thumbs up, very much important. I saw in the previous videos we really got a small amount of likes in comparison to the views. So guys, it's very important that you leave a thumbs up if you like this type of content. And make sure to drop a comment as well for the algorithm to wake them up a little bit, so we can push this video, or YouTube can push this video to as much people as possible. If you watched this video, or if you watched my channel for the first time and you came already this far in this video, make sure you subscribe down below, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. For the ones that want to join Will Alerts, the private Telegram channel, you can do so for free by joining one of the exchanges down below in this video and submit your user ID over on willportal.com. Guys, I want to wish you all a very beautiful day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.